This is Devin Herz, and today I'm going to share with you 4 things your website should include to dominate your online presence. Thanks for joining me on this week's DMC Marketing Nugget. So your goal with your website is to increase sales, create fans, and stop losing to the competition. In order to do this, I'm going to give you 4 tips to make sure that your website is set up for success. Number 1, you want to make sure that you have an easy to decipher tagline with a bold headline. People should easily be able to understand exactly what you can do, what service you're providing, what product you're selling, and the benefits of using your company immediately. So with a strong headline, as you see here with the example, and then some bullet points, you should easily be able to convey all that you need to in very short time period. You got to remember that people are just they're searching around the web and they're trying to find a solution quickly. So give them that right up front with a bold headline and really easy to decipher tagline. Number 2, you need to have your call to action in their face. You don't want to hide what you want your clients to do or your viewers to do. Ask for the sale. Have a calendar that they can book an appointment with you. If it's a white paper, a report that you're giving away, make sure that you have that front and center. With this example, Sheik's uses their 25% off sale and then their shop now button right below, and it has some animation, so it's really right in your face and you can see that they're having a nice special offer that they want you to take advantage of. Next thing, we're going to go ahead and show your successes, whether that be through testimonials or case studies. As business owners and marketers, we sometimes get stuck talking about ourselves. You want to make sure you're going to convey what the person viewing your website will experience if they hire you. So make sure that you use testimonials. Here we have 3 video testimonials of people that have been in car accidents. So this is for Fulmer Sill, our great law firm client out of Oklahoma. These are videos that show people just like you and I, they've gotten into car accidents and the process they went through and how Fulmer Sill really helped them out, so that you can really understand and identify with these people on how Fulmer Sill is going to help me out. God forbid I get into a catastrophic accident. So using those testimonials, being able to tell a story and the results that you're conveying or delivering to your clients are really important. You want to sell your solutions, tell people your story. Number 4, less is more. Again, you got short periods of time to grab people in. You don't want them to try to have to search around your website to figure out where to go. Here's an example from our client at Rossi Construction. Jason does a great job. He's got commercial building, residential building, and his other 2 main focus, which is bathroom remodeling, kitchen remodeling. So by having 4 blocks, easy to see, easy to understand what path you want people to take, and you can guide people down that way. So keep your areas and solutions that you want people to easily see front and center. So let me recap on that. We've got to make sure that you have an easy to decipher tagline and bold headline. Number 2, you want to make sure that your call to action is right in their face. Make sure that's front and center. Number 3, show your successes. Show what you've done for clients. Show the outcome that they may be experiencing if they hire you. And number 4, less is more. So I hope you enjoyed today's marketing nugget. Go ahead and make sure you implement those tips on your website. And if you ever need any assistance with your website development, that's why we're here. Book a strategy call with me at any time. We're giving away free strategy sessions till the end of the year. Normally they're $1,500, but going through all the time and all the shit that we're going through right now, I want to make sure that you're set up for success moving into 2021. Thanks again for joining us on this week's DMC Marketing Nugget. We'll see you right back here with Cody Butler, and we're going to teach you how to build a marketing plan in 90 days.